The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been updated with 4 new features, including hands-on images and information regarding its internal components. A purported hands-on image of the Z Fold 7 is currently circulating online. The image depicts the phone in a silver color scheme and indicates that it is wider than the Z Fold 6. Nevertheless, there are apprehensions regarding the device's authenticity, as the image does not depict a hinge. The phone will be markedly wider than its predecessor, as confirmed by CAD renders and disclosures from multiple sources. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be the thinnest foldable Samsung has ever produced, with a thickness of just 3.9 mm when unfurled and 9 mm when folded. This is due to the absence of the raised plastic bezel, which rests slightly above the display to shield it when the phone is shut. The bezel is included in the thickness measurement when it is compressed, which raises concerns. Samsung has already taken into account the device's durability by replacing the carbon fiber backplate with a titanium one. The hinge and flexible screen are supported by the backplate, which is the internal structure. The Fold Special Edition already utilizes titanium, and now the regular Fold 7 is receiving it too. This action is expected to contribute to the preservation of structural integrity, despite the reduced profile. Samsung is introducing a new S Pen with the Fold 7, according to a recent report from the ELEC in South Korea. This pen does not require a digitizer to be integrated into the display, as it has its own internal components that monitor the position of the tip. This implies that users will be required to charge it. However, since the S Pen doesn't rely on a digitizer, it should function on the outer display too, which is something Fold users have been clamoring for since day one. However, Samsung has a history of holding back features only to repackage them as new the following year. It is improbable that the S Pen support for the cover screen will be enabled with the Fold 8 instead. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be a significant enhancement over its predecessor, with a thinner profile, enhanced durability, and a new S Pen. While it is unclear whether the S Pen will be available with the Fold 8, it is expected to be a significant addition to the device. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.